Hello, I'm again with the topic bird migration and navigation. I shall discuss some MCQ questions, that is the subject animal behavior. Let's start. Okay. Yeah, question number 1 is before you. Question number 1 is Arctic tern travels from south to north. We have three options: east to west, south to north to south. So correct answer is south to north. Question number 2 is asking Arctic tern bird flies. Option A 17,000 km, option B 17,600 km, C 17,200 km. So right answer is 17,600 km. Number 3 option is migration is a we have three options: pendulum like movement, one way movement, and both. So correct answer is pendulum like movement. Now question 4 is house sparrow shows no migration, daily migration, passes migration. So correct answer is option D, that is daily migration. Question number 5, area where birds breed can called as its permanent residence, transit residence, migratory residence. So it is a kind of permanent residence where birds breed. Question number 6 is same question but some other in a different way, like area where birds feed. Here birds breed and do not breed can be called, that is called transit residence. Okay, that is that is called migratory residence because they change their place temporarily, okay, for food and shelter to get rid of adverse situation or adverse climatic condition. So it is migratory residence and it is permanent residence. Question number 6 is American golden plover migrates from USA to, that is Argentina. Okay, USA to Argentina. Option C is the right answer. Dogs are strongest flyers. Okay, we have weakest flyers, strongest flyers, and do not fly. So correct answer is strongest flyer. Question number 9 is asking north to south migration is, that is latitudinal migration, north to south migration. Here. Question number 10, east to west migration is called, that is longitudinal migration. Okay, option B. This much question I have with me. If you have any doubt, please message me. You can practice some other questions from Google or refer some animal behavior book. Thank you.